Why they doing a party?
Okay. You look familiar.
Where do you live?
Los Angeles.
Oh. Anyway, but first of all, I need both of you to sign this for me. You can sign that while I get your stuff together. Okay, and then we have royalty. Hey, who's royalty?
So we are here at NAARVA. That's National Association RV Black RVers Club. I am not. All right, you guys. So we're having a bit of communication problem, recording problem with the value. But what I'm saying is NAARVA, National African American RV Club. Okay. All right. I got that. I got you. So I wanted to show you guys around. These are some of the RVs that they had for sale, and take you into the ballers section. I mean, all the ballers drive things like this, okay? And a lot of the RVers here in the club rolled up like this. Beautiful, y'all. Beautiful.
What am I supposed to do? I can't. What am I supposed to do?
Dang, this bathroom. Fancy. This is a lot. This is way bigger than the other one. This is way bigger.
Oh, this looks like it could be a resort.
This is fancy.
Look at the water.
I know. And they got the backup camera on right now. They want $77,000 for it. That ain't bad.
You got a truck. No, you haven't. They got an extra.
You'll be in there playing. Like, Lester, come here. Barbecue pit.
All right, you guys, wasn't that something? So this is the second time we had In-N-Out Burgers truck at an event. The first time was our family reunion. The second time is now at the NAARVA RV Club event. So I gotta go pay some bills, you guys. The next video's coming up. I'm gonna finish this video with NAARVA. These are some of the great people that we met. We would like to have friends and reconnect with these people on the next event. But outside of this, we still want to have friends that we can communicate with and do things with. And I got one more video coming up next that's going to show you some of the activities that we did with NAARVA. So stay tuned. And if you're new, subscribe to our channel so you can get all the updates on the new videos. Thanks for watching. Here's some of the places we have been. The California African American Museum. We have a blog on that. The California African American Museum in Los Angeles.